minutes go, 'cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run! You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, call.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Je n'ai jamais poursuivi la gloire de la céleste, les mémoires, des sons, les chansons. Moi j'aime les mondes subtils, légères et gentils, comme des bulles de savon. J'aime les voir se prendre, les solides et traîner, voler sur le ciel. Sur le ciel bleu, vibrer subtilement, les yeux brisés. Je n'ai jamais poursuivi la gloire. Mon cher, ce sont des traces, et chez moi, il n'y a rien de plus. Marcher, il n'y a pas de chemin. Les chemins se créent en marchant. En marchant se créent les chemins. Et les tournants, les yeux on voit le sentier qui jaillit, on doit de nouveau être affolé. Marcher, il n'y a pas de chemin. Sinon celui d'étoiles.